What you're looking at isn't just dirt. This is a sign of total structural failure for your car's trim. It's sun-bleached, brittle, and completely lifeless. Most people throw away money on flashy trim restorers or silicone sprays, but the second it rains, that fake shine washes away, leaving your plastic looking even more damaged than before. Why? Because you're just shining the surface while ignoring the chemistry underneath. Today, we're bypassing the marketing hype and turning to a $3 industrial secret that reverses polymer degradation at a molecular level. We're not just adding shine, we're restoring the lost lipids to the plastic substrate. Watch closely, because we're bringing back that factory black finish permanently. To fix the problem, we first have to understand why plastic turns gray. Most automotive trim is made of long polymer chains. When UV rays hit these chains, they literally snap them apart, a process called photo-oxidation. This causes the natural oils and binders inside the plastic to evaporate. That chalky gray color you see is actually microscopic cracks filled with air and damaged plastic cells scattering light. This is exactly why standard silicone dressings fail. Their molecular weight is too high to penetrate. They just sit on top. What we need is molecular lipid restoration, a solution that sinks deep into the pores to displace that air and allow light to be absorbed rather than reflected. Here's our secret weapon. This formula only has 2 ingredients, but the ratio is where the science happens. First, raw linseed oil. This is a natural drying oil that acts as the new lipids for our plastic. Second, mineral spirits. This acts as our carrier, thinning the viscous oil so it can wick deep into the substrate. Our ratio is a 50/50 blend of raw linseed oil and mineral spirits. The total cost? Less than $3 per bottle. But a critical safety note here. Linseed oil creates heat as it cures through a specific chemical reaction. To prevent any fire hazards, never leave a soaked rag crumpled in a pile. Always submerge your used applicators in a bucket of water when you're done. Safety is our top priority. Preparation is everything. We're starting with a heavy-duty degreaser and a stiff brush to strip away old waxes and open up the pores. Now, watch the magic. As soon as I apply this solution, the mineral spirits begin pulling the oil into the microscopic voids of the plastic. We're going to give it about 10 minutes of dwell time to ensure the liquid fully fills the gaps within the polymer chain. This is where the real chemistry kicks in. As the mineral spirits evaporate, the linseed oil stays behind and begins to polymerize by reacting with oxygen in the air. It's transitioning from a liquid state into a hardened, flexible, solid barrier. After 15 minutes, we'll buff away the excess residue with a clean microfiber to ensure the finish is smooth and dry to the touch. Within 24 hours, this barrier becomes completely hydrophobic. Water will bead off instantly, and UV rays can no longer penetrate the hardened layer. We've stress tested this while over-the-counter sprays wear out in weeks. This industrial method lasts for months because we've actually reinforced the plastic from the inside out. Look at this transformation. The entire vehicle looks brand new, and we did it for the price of a cup of coffee. Most people think damaged trim has to be replaced, but chemistry gives you the power to achieve professional-grade results in your own driveway. If you enjoyed this scientific deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep tinkering and keep restoring.